sunlight. I haven't seen the sunlight for days. This is probably terrible lighting for filming. I apologise if that's the case. But I just wanted to soak in this moment of sun. It's actually super, super cloudy outside. There's just been a tiny little sunburst and I wanted to sit in it and soak it up. In fact, this is perfect weather for today's journaling prompt. So today's journaling prompt was magic, and I chose it because today is the winter solstice, which is the shortest day of the year and the day which symbolises the return of the longer days. And I love this day so much. At times when I've been working in the UK, there have been periods where you end up just going for months, like without seeing the light, because you commute both to and from work in the pitch black, and then you're inside a building the whole day, and it's so bad for you. It really, really gets me down whenever I have to do that. So I always feel so happy on the 21st when I know that the days are going to start getting just that little bit longer once more. I always feel like there's something beautiful and magical about this day, and that was the inspiration behind the prompt. So the first part was thinking about what magic means to me. For me, I always feel this sort of sense that there is something more, some underlying crackling energy to the world, which I experience a lot through fiction and through my imagination. And I love that kind of transportation that we're offered as part of our human existence. And it's something that I'm always seeking to bring more of into my life. And I think we can transport even the most mundane moments through romanticising them, through adding imagination and a sense of wonder and curiosity to them. I really, really love that quote by Roald Dahl, the one that says, "Those who don't believe in magic will never find it." I think that's so true, and I have always sought from childhood and deliberately as I came out of childhood into adulthood to be the kind of person who believes in magic, because I think if you write it off, you're writing off this kind of incredible connection with the world and with beauty and with wonder, which is something really special to me. Some ideas of ways to bring more of this into my life: reading, of course. Reading is completely transportational and magical, especially fantasy. I really enjoy reading fantasy, and it's something I would like to do more of. And then also I put the elements in general: lighting candles, making fires, running baths, swimming in the sea, going for walks and feeling the ground, taking deep breaths of air. All of those opportunities to connect with the elements feel inherently magical and beautiful to me, and I cherish them. I think there is something innately magical about this time of year, with the lights, the children getting excited. It is currently the beginning of the afternoon. It is the shortest day of the year, and there is therefore not actually that much time with daylight left. I've been working at my computer this morning, and I'm going to do some baking this afternoon. It's actually connected to my job, but I thought I would bring you along as well, because who doesn't love a bit of baking? I'm going to be making some Victorian gingerbread cake, so let's get going before there is no light left for filming at all. sure where today's gone. It's been another one of those days that seems to have drifted away with me. I had a nice evening, spent a lot of time chatting to my parents and talking to Tom. It is 10 to 11 now though, which is quite a bit later than I wanted it to be. I'm going to head to bed now. I think before I go to sleep, I'm just going to light a candle and do a little meditation, with it being the winter solstice. I don't normally meditate at all, but there is something about this one day that makes me crave meditation. So yeah, I'm just going to light a candle and do a little meditation before bed. Thank you as always for watching. I really hope that you're doing well, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good night.